All right, in this example, we're going to be adding two base 4 numbers. And the two base 4 numbers we're going to be adding is 2, 3 and 1, 3. Now these are both in base 4. So just to give you a quick reminder or fill in on what base 4 is, it means you've only got 4 symbols. So we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. And our bases from right to left are going to be 4 to the 0, 4 to the 1, 4 squared, and so on. So in our normal number system, base 10, we go 10 to the 0, 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. We do powers of 10. So for a base 4 number system, we're going to do powers of 4. Now for adding these, you have to think of your carry rules in normal addition. By normal, I mean base 10. So first of all, I'll use green for what it would be if we were in base 10. So if I added 3 to 3 in base 10, I would get 6. And so that would go right here. However, if you look, we don't have this symbol in our base 4 number system. So what we have to do is we have to think of how we can break up 6 in terms of 4s. So 6 would be one group of 4 to the 1 plus 2 groups of 4 to the 0. Recall that anything raised to the 0 power is just 1. So if I have 6 is equal to 1 times 4, which is 4, plus 2 times 4 to the 0, which is 2, that's 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now, what happens is that this 4 to the 1 has to get carried because this is the 4 to the 1's place. And then I leave my leftover 4 to the 0's or 1's right here. And so this is a 2. And of course, this final number is still going to be in base 4. So that's just like our regular addition. If we add two numbers and they go past the symbols we have, we write down the remainder and carry over. So now if I do 1 plus 2 plus 1, again, in base 10, that would be 4. Again, although it's base 4, we don't have the symbol 4 here. So I can write 4 as 1 times 4 to the 1 plus 0 times 4 to the 0. So I've got 1, 4, and no 1's. So once again, this gets carried over and this goes down here. So I have 0, then I carry the 1. 1 plus 0, even in base 4, or 1 plus nothing in base 4, is still just 1. So there we go. If we add 2, 3 in base 4 to 1, 3 in base 4, we get the number 102 in base 4. And that is this example.